Okay, if you want to create some quick, just custom little blocks of items to store, just hit the custom assembly, hit new, and then for example on this one you can just simply type in what you're wanting to do. We're going to say 6 foot pre-made patch cord. So we're going to put the cost of this at $4.80. Customer just gave me this information, so I'm just kind of showing him as long as you how to do these. And then he wanted a 15 foot. And a 25 foot. And you can come in here and you can put your cords, you can put your patch ends, you can put plates, you can put whatever you want. It doesn't really make any difference what you put in there. So you've got these 6 foot pre-made patch cords, 15 foot pre-made patch cord, and a 25 foot pre-made patch cord. This could be, you could include plates, you could include anything you want to. So I've just got a group of items and I want to hit save. I want to go to Assembly Details and I want to name it something that means something to me. So I'm just going to name it pre-made patch cords, hit save. Now I'm going to save this to the master file. So now I'm going to close out of it. And whenever I need to enter those, I just go to Custom Assembly, New, Load Custom Assemblies. Find the pre-made patch cords and then put them in here, and I'll just put the quantities of how many I need. And those are entered into the estimate.